FC FA denotes cohesive and adhesive force on a liquid molecule near the surface. The surface of liquid is concave if which condition is correct. See, there are three types of surfaces. Here we have adhesive force Fa, cohesive force Fc. It can have two components, Fc upon root 2, because this angle is 45 degrees, and this will be also Fc upon root 2 in all the three cases. So if Fa becomes same as Fc upon root 2, then surface is horizontal. These two will cancel each other. Resultant will remain in vertical. Here this is Fa. This is Fc by root 2. We want resultant out inward. So this is 1 Fc by root 2 after resolving. तो ये दोनों का रिजल्ट इधर आना चाहिए. So Fa should be greater than Fc by root 2. Then it will be inward force is greater. Whereas here this Fc by root 2 is greater, then result will be falling inside. So here Fa is less than Fc by root 2. So in terms of Fc by root 2, if they say Fa equal to Fc by root 2, then horizontal surface, and Fa greater than concave, Fa smaller than convex. Right? All the three cases. In our case, they want for which surface they want? They want for convex. So for convex, Fa is less than Fc by root 2. That's for options for the required condition. Yes, done. Shall I clear it?
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one, 20th. Surface area of bubble is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Work done to double the surface area. So if this is A1, we want A2 should be double the area of A1. Then what is work done? If surface tension is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton per meter. See, work done is T into change in area. Change in area will be twice because it is a bubble. So from top and bottom, A2 minus A1, double of difference in area. Whenever it is bubble, always take twice. So T into twice of 2A1 minus A1. Therefore, it is T into twice of A1. T is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 2. A1 is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. 3 into 2, 6. 13, 6 are 78. 7.8 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule. 7.8 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule is option. Any doubt in the sum?
No, sir.
Please copy them. It's a very good chapter. एक MCQ generally आता है इसमें. But when we start with waves and oscillation, one of the important chapter, because minimum 4, maximum 6 to 8 they can ask in the exam. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When the temperature increases, then angle of contact will temperature increases, then surface tension will decrease. Huh?
Decrease, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
that means angle of contact will increase because it will start leaving the surface. So angle of contact will increase. We have done this earlier. In note I have given. 18th. Work done. 15th one. Work done in splitting a drop of water whose radius is 1 millimeter into 10 raised to 6 droplets of surface tension 72 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule per meter square. What is work? Drop is becoming droplet. If you remember formula, it was T into 4 pi capital R square n raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. Can you recollect this? Just check.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I have to explain again. Is this note is there in your book where I have explained? Droplet is becoming droplet.
No, sir.
All of you check whether it is there. Drop is becoming droplet. Change in area is energy is T into 4 pi R square n raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. Please check it fast. Just check all of you. This is there formula.
No, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Let others also say because I have explained. I know that. Others check in your book. We have the formula drop becoming droplet wala. It's not there.
नो सर।
अच्छा तो पहला ये फॉर्मूला लिख लो फिर मैं समझाता हूँ कैसे आया नहीं तो टाइम लगेगा ना अभी ये लिख लो चलो this is 10 raised to minus 3 4 into 3.14 into r square r is 1 millimeter so 10 raised to minus 3 square 10 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 4 into 2 is 8 4 sevens are 28 into 3.14 minus 3 minus 6 will become minus 9 this is 10 raised to 2 minus 1 now this is approximately 300 into 3 900 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 10 raised to plus 2 so close to 9 into 10 raised to minus 5 2 and 2 4 4 and 9 is 5. Let us check. Close to 9 into 10 raised to minus 5 is given. (8.7) into 10 raised
Yes,
to
sir.
B is the option. So just write this, then I'm explaining how this formula came. This was one of the longest chapter of your syllabus. So many things present. Pressure, viscosity, flow, Bernoulli's, surface tension. Actually, it is combination of 3 chapters. If you are done, then just tell me so that I can explain how.
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear it off for all the students?
Yes.
Now, no, this is no. Drop of radius capital R is becoming n droplets, each of radius small r. We want to find what is work done or increase change in energy. So whenever drop is becoming droplet, then volume will remain same. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is n times 4 by 3 pi small r cube. This means r is n raised to 1 by 3 into small r by taking cube root. Now surface area of one big drop A1 will be equals to 4 pi capital R square, and surface area of n droplet A2 will be n times 4 pi small r square. So A2 becomes n times 4 pi small r is r upon n raised to 1 by 3 raised to 2. So this is n 4 pi capital R square upon n raised to 2 by 3. So A2 is n raised to 1 by 3, 4 pi capital R square. Therefore, change in area dA will be n times 4 pi capital R square minus 4 pi capital R square. That is nothing but 4 pi capital R square n raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. Therefore, change in energy or work done is T into change in area, which will become T into 4 pi capital R square n raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. Now, just write this as no.
Done, sir.
Sometimes they will say droplet is combining to become drop. 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, and droplets. combines together to form a single bigger drop of radius capital R. Whenever it is problem of drop becoming droplet or droplet becoming drop, always your start will be volume remains same. So n droplet volume n into 4 by 3 pi r cube will become 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. N raised to 1 by 3 r equals to capital R. Now surface area of n droplets comma a1 is n into 4 pi small r square. Surface area of one drop equals to 4 pi capital R square, which is 4 pi n raised to 1 by 3 into small r square, 4 pi r square n raised to 2 by 3. So change in area will be surface area of droplet minus area of one bigger drop. So that will be n times 4 pi capital R small r square minus n raised to 2 by 3 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. Then work done or change in energy is T into change in area, which is T into 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. Right. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. We did till I think 18th, na? Okay, 17th. Let T1 be the surface tension between solid and liquid. One second, one second. If T1 is surface tension between solid and air. If this is liquid drop, this is liquid, this is solid, this is air. So T1 is surface tension between solid and air. That means this is T1. Between solid and air surface tension. And T2 is surface tension between solid and liquid. Solid and liquid surface tension is T2. This is T2, solid and liquid. And T is surface tension between liquid and air. So liquid and air, this is tangential, T acting, this is theta. Theta is angle of contact which is tangent at point of contact and wall of container. ये नीचे वाला अपना wall of container हो गया. So T I can resolve into two components, T sin theta and T cos theta. For equilibrium, net force in horizontal direction should be 0. So T1 should be T2 plus T cos theta. That means T1 minus T2 is T cos theta. So T1 minus T2 upon T is cos theta. Check whether we have this option. उल्टा हो गया.
Yes, sir.
T किसके बीच का दिया था? T is surface tension between liquid and air. So T is surface tension between liquid and air. अच्छा, ये लिक्विड एंड एयर था, सॉलिड लिक्विड हो गया. T is surface tension between liquid and air. एक मिनट, एक सेकंड, फिर से रीड करता हूँ किसके बीच का टेंशन दिया. This is liquid, outside air, this is solid. So between liquid and air, it is given T option है ना फिर. Hello, we got earlier.
Sir, yes, sir. That is what I was saying.
We had got D, I think. D. Correct, na?
So we have got D.
Yes, D.
T1 minus T2 upon T.
So this is D only I have written.
Yes, sir.
So D is the answer. T1 minus T2 upon T is cos D. So we had interpreted properly. Sixteenth. Can I clear this everything?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
16th. Then I will start with new topic, that is oscillation. If a million tiny droplet, इसको ही कंप्लीट कर दो, चलेगा क्या आप लोगों? और उस कंप्लीट के बाद फिर नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करो. If a million tiny droplet, what is meaning of million?
Sir, 10 lakh.
10 lakhs. So 10 lakh means 10 raised to how much?
10 raised to 5.
6.
So
10 lakh है ना, ये देखो यूनिट 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, तो 10 raised to 5 हुआ ना.
yes, sir, yes.
So 10 lakh means 10 into 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, correct? Of same radius, collax means combines to form larger drop. So that means 10 raised to 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube should be equal to single drop ka volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi cancel. That means 10 raised to 2 into r is capital R. Whenever we want, we can substitute r or small r with respect to each other. The ratio of surface energy of large drop. The ratio of surface energy of large drop to the total surface energy of all the small droplets. Total surface energy of all the smaller droplets. So all the surface energy of smaller droplet is N into surface tension into area. Because surface energy means T into area and droplet T into 4 pi r square. And bigger one is T into 4 pi capital R square. Any doubt in this formula part first?
No, sir.
Okay. तो ये T and 4 pi तो eliminate कर दो. Capital R we got 10 raised to 2 into small r, उसका square, and N is 10 raised to 6 into r square. So 10 raised to 4 r square upon 10 raised to 6 r square, 1 upon 100 is the equation. So 1 upon 100, that is 10 raised to 2, option. Shall I keep on doing this, and after completion of this can I start with new chapter? Is it okay with you all?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो आज ट्राई करता हूँ इसको पूरा कंप्लीट करने के लिए. See, if I wish to keep your lecture bit late, will it be possible for you?
Sir, late
So
by
at what time?
6 o'clock? 6 to
Sir,
7:30? By any means it is possible for all the students, otherwise not.
No, sir, we have our maths class starting from 7 o'clock. And on Fridays, Piyush sir takes till 7.
sir, on Wednesday and Friday, I have doubt lectures from 4 to 8.
4 to 8 you have.
Yes, sir.
4 to 8.
Yes, sir.
And what about PTS wala schedule? PTS? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday?
Sir, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I am free.
Others are free, same time?
Afternoon.
That 6 to 7:30 wala time, will it be possible if I want?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा चेक कर लेता हूँ, आपका मिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए, इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Everybody should be comfortable, including me also, so that we enjoy our lecture.
Means, sir, would it be on regular basis or?
No, because if college starts now, then 2:30 will be too early for you all. That's why I'm planning if I shift earlier, so you'll get momentum of that. See, once the college starts, then 1:30 it will leave, na? So coming 2:30 will be difficult, no, for you all.
So means it will be when the college is open, right? Not now.
No, actually it is then only, but we are trying, if we can plan from now, you get used to that type of timing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So don't take tension first. Timing I will adjust, don't worry. Right now, don't take tension. Chalo, 16th पर.
So Monday will be fine for me, but Saturday won't be. 6 o'clock.
Saturday, what time will be possible?
So actually Saturday, Wednesday, I have like extra lectures.
No. See, if I did, I will do like this: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Days will not
Okay,
be
so fine.
because
So fine.
then it will clash, na?
So actually, yeah, just realized that on Saturday I have lecture from 8 o'clock.
Then fine, na?
Yes, sir, fine.
Okay, dear. Okay. But still, don't take tension of timing. Na? Don't worry about that. That's what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
Can I clear the 16?
Yes, sir, you can.
Sure. Sum number 7, 16th. Sum number 15. If n drops of liquid, 1, 2, I say n drops of liquid, n drops, each with surface energy E joins to form a single drop, then which relation is correct? Each has surface energy E joins to form a single drop. What is formula for change in energy? If droplets become drop, P into 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. Just 10 minutes before I explained you.
Yes, sir.
Now T into एक का एरिया मतलब एक का सरफेस एनर्जी हो गया ना, which is given E, है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो E into n minus n raised to 2 by 3. जरा चेक करो किधर है E raised to n, एक ही जगह पे है ना, D ऑप्शन.
Yes, sir.
But suppose same option is given at two places. At one place they write energy released, other place absorbed. Then it will be a difficult task. Then see how to do this. Droplets when become drop, then common sense area will decrease or not?
Yes, sir, it will decrease.
Decrease. So energy will also decrease or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Energy will decrease means energy is released ना extra.
Yes, sir.
Decrease हो गया मतलब energy released हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the answer, energy release. But if droplets combine to form drop, in that case area will drop splits into droplet, drop splits into droplets. In that case area will increase, so energy change will increase. That means it will absorb the energy from outside. So be careful when it will increase and decrease. Change can be due to becoming less also, due to becoming more. So if area is decreasing, energy is given to the surrounding. Increasing, then absorbed from the surrounding. In this case, only one option given D, so no need to take much attention. Okay, clear. Right.
Done, sir.
Coming to the next one. 14. Liquid surface inside the tube is concave. Liquid surface inside the tube is concave. Then force due to surface tension will have tendency to. Force due to surface tension will act like this. No? So they will have tendency to pull it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will have tendency to pull. That means make the surface plane. Therefore option yes, yes, yes. 62 ना at market बोलता हूँ. Done ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Read the next question. Work done in increasing radius of soap bubble in air. Again, see bubble comes, area is always multiplied by 2. 13th. Find the work done in increasing area of soap bubble from radius. How much is the radius given? 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter. Is 3000 erg. 3000 erg work done. Then find what is surface tension. Okay, all units are in CGS. So work done is T into change in area. For bubble, it is twice of final area minus initial area, which is twice of 4 pi r2 square minus 4 pi r1 square. So T into 2 into 8 pi, 4 pi into r2 square minus r1 square. This is 3000. Surface tension we want 4 to the 8 pi 2 square minus 1 square. So 3000 equals to T into 8 into 3.14 into 2 square 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into this is 1000. So 1000 upon roughly 8 3 guys 24 5. This will be 25.12 approximately. I wrote 25 equals to T. 25 into 4, 40 equals to T. Hey option, 40 equals to T. Okay. Hello. हाँ हाँ ले लो चलो निकाल दो. यस यस ठीक है. यस ठीक है. आ रहा है, चलेगा। Yes, can I clear this? No, sorry, just now. 1 second. 49 is option D.
Yes, sir.
Option. Done? 13?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are saying 12th one is theoretical. Net force acting on the molecule of liquid is maximum on a molecule which is net force acting on the molecule is maximum which is where? At the bottom? On the surface net force is maximum. No?
Yes, sir.
So on the surface net force acting in downward direction is maximum. That is C. And inside it becomes 0 because of equal opposite forces cancelling each other. 11th. Smaller drops of liquid are generally more spherical than larger drops. Smaller drops are more spherical than larger drops because in smaller excess pressure is more. So force due to surface tension predominates due to force of gravity. See, gravity oblong karega. If you have seen from the tap, water coming down, तो ऐसा धीरे धीरे कुछ एक आध ड्रॉप ऐसा बड़ा होके टूट जाता है इधर, मतलब ग्रेविटी
Yes, sir.
करता है. So in smaller drops, surface tension, force due to surface tension is greater than force due to gravity. Therefore, it is more spherical as compared to that of gravity. So option 11. 10. Option 11th का force due to surface tension predominates force due to gravity. C option. Now 10th one. If a glass rod is dipped in pure mercury, glass rod is dipped in mercury and removed, then mercury does not stick the rod because angle of contact small, no, cohesive force is greater than adhesive force. Correct ना? Cohesive force मतलब inward force is greater than adhesive force. हेलो, कोहेसिव फोर्स
Yes,
अगर
sir.
ज्यादा तो खींच लेगा ना मॉलिक्यूल को अपना तरफ, बॉल से टच नहीं होएगा ना वो. तो कोहेसिव फोर्स इज ग्रेटर देन द एडहेसिव फोर्स. ऑप्शन बी theoretical. None. नहीं करता हूँ. फर्स्ट वन आई एम डूइंग 1 to 9. फर्स्ट वाला इजी है इसलिए पहला वो करता हूँ. टाइम कम है ना तो आपका दिमाग में जाएगा नहीं शायद. वर्क डन for a soap bubble of radius 0.02 meter to increase it to 0.04 meter will be how much if surface tension is 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton per meter. Work done is P into change in area. So T into change in area, T into change in area, that is 2 times final area minus initial area. So T into 2 times 4 pi R2 square minus 4 pi R1 square. that is t into 2 into 4 pi into r2 square minus r1 square. 8 t into 8 pi into 0.04 square, 0.02 square. So t into t is 28 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 8 into 3.14. 4 square is 16. 4 square 16, 2 square 4. So 12 into 10 raised to minus 4. 8, 12 8 are 96. So 28 into 96 into 3.14 into 10 raised to minus 7. So 96 you can take 100. Can we take 96 approximately 100?
Yes, sir.
So 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 2 the 6 and 2 8. So 84 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है 28 into 3 and into 10 raised to minus 5. Just check इसके आसपास में do we have options? Yes, we have 8.4 we have. This is 84. That means it is 8.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 option C. Just 8 are left out. Hardly it will take 10 minutes in the next class, and then I will start with new chapter that is called oscillation. And after oscillation, wave, because they are connected to each other. And then
Yes, sir.
हाँ उसका खाली एक ही पार्ट रह जाएगा, that is heat. And then April onwards we'll start with 12th standard topic. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. We will meet on Friday. Hopefully we'll start